It's the 9th of January and wealth of progress today. For one, Annie has been welded, and also I've sorted out the gear shift issue, and it was what people have been saying on the forum of a slightly sweary name, where there's an ecliptic like nut in there, and before the free play in this was only giving about 11mm, and it should be between 33 and 37. So I sorted that out, and first gear is as easy as pie, as I shall now demonstrate as we go for a little drive down the industrial estate. So much easier to drive now, so much easier. Right, there's people there, so I better put the camera down. So yeah, the car is now so much easier to drive, and obviously with my work on the brakes, she stops as well. So if I can get a bit of a run up. So that ain't bad at all. That's pretty good. Ooh, that's an awful squeak. Oh shit. Please start. Don't do that, Annie, please don't. This is such a nice car to drive. Honestly, I mean, doing a few runs up there, it's incredibly addictive. Moderners in my way, as they normally are. They were in the Fiesta as well, they're always holding me up. The first test run of today, I was held up by an Audi TT. And now I'm being held up by a Porsche. For people who visit the storage yard. That's a bit close. And I haven't had tonic water in a while, so I've got cramp in my foot. It's spiffing. And there we go. Happy! Yee! So today's the big day. Annie goes in for her MOT. I'm as nervous as hell. Obviously she's been welded up and I've done work on the brakes and whatnot, so if she is going to fail, chances are it's going to be something quite minor. But yeah, I'm still excited and nervous in equal measure. It's now 22nd of February, and I think my taxi's just arrived, so I'll see you on the other side, hopefully. Right, so this is the yard where Annie's been kept now for the past 7 months, I think. So we're going to take her out, hopefully for the last time. Ooh, that's going to be a bit of a squeeze. That's a good sign. Well, no, she didn't. That's to be expected though for a car that's been off the road for 10 years. So, with my new little to-do list, I worked my way through it, and 8 days later, I decided to take her for a retest. Well, MOT day again. So we're here at MTS in Telford, so this is Annie's, well, hopefully she passes. I hope, anyway. Off she goes in. But will she pass? Hooray! she's passed. And now to take her home, put some tax on it. I've already got some insurance for the day, so I may as well use it. So, win! Absolute win! So pleased. And there's Annie at her new home, just outside my house. So, yeah, I think I may as well take the time to say thank you everybody for watching this project and for supporting me by subscribing, by commenting, leaving your feedback back and whatnot. Obviously I'd like to thank everybody who's helped make the project possible, so the likes of Angel Motors, who supplied me with the new tailgate, Dale's Autos in Shifnal for providing me space to work, and obviously just being nice friendly faces to see every week. And thanks to the Gay Classic Car Group, for they've been very supportive of the project as well. And best mate Typhon, aka Dale, he's been really helping me with the whole thing. So yeah, obviously there are going to be more videos. She's not quite done yet, but yeah, she's a project car. She's never going to be finished. So yeah, dead excited, dead happy. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this little restoration part of the series, and hopefully we'll be on to having some adventures and all sorts of other things. So that was the major milestone in my first ever restoration project of this nature. Obviously, again, I would like to thank everybody who's watched the series, and I hope to see some of you at the NEC Classic Restoration Show. And I hope to have many more adventures in this car. She's been great fun to work on, she's great fun to drive, and seems the celebrations were a bit premature because she's broken down. Oh, for God's sake, I can't trust you to do anything right, can I?